The Schlage deadbolt spinning issue occurs when the cylinder rotates freely without properly engaging or retracting the bolt mechanism. This common problem is typically caused by misalignment between the bolt and strike plate, component wear from regular use, or internal damage to the lock's moving parts. Most cases can be resolved through proper alignment techniques and reset procedures, which we'll cover in detail. The key differences lie in how mechanical deadbolts depend entirely on precise physical alignment, while smart locks incorporate electronic sensors that help prevent and detect alignment issues automatically. To diagnose the spinning Schlage deadbolt, first determine if it's misalignment or internal wear. Misalignment often occurs after door shifts or improper installation. Check if the bolt fully extends about 1 inch into the strike plate. This image shows the strike plate and key insertion. Internal wear is more likely in older locks as components degrade over time. This diagram shows the lock mechanism. Smart locks use sensors to prevent over-rotation, unlike mechanical versions that rely on precise tolerances. To fix a spinning Schlage deadbolt, you'll need several essential tools. First, a screwdriver with both Phillips and flathead tips for removing screws and accessing components. You might also need a small wrench for adjusting or loosening parts. A lubricant such as WD-40 helps reduce friction and prevent future spinning. For alignment, shims or wood spacers can help adjust the door position. A Schlage alignment kit, costing around $20, simplifies assessing door and strike plate depth, especially for beginners. Begin by removing the deadbolt from the door to access the strike plate. Next, inspect the strike plate to ensure the bolt can extend fully into it. If the bolt doesn't extend fully, deepen the strike plate by 1/16 to 1/8 inch using a chisel or file. For recessed door frames, add shims behind the strike plate to adjust its position. Reinstall the deadbolt and confirm the bolt moves smoothly without spinning. This alignment correction resolves approximately 85% of spinning deadbolt issues. If alignment doesn't resolve the spinning issue, perform a deadbolt reset. Start by inserting the key and turning it to the unlock position. Next, retract the bolt fully to disengage it. Then, rotate the cylinder 5 to 6 times to realign internal gears and clear any debris. Test if the spinning stops. If not, consult the Schlage website or app for specific reset instructions tailored to your model. Lubrication and maintenance are essential for preventing deadbolt spinning issues. Proper care can extend the life of your lock and ensure smooth operation. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the keyway and bolt mechanism. The keyway is the slot where the key inserts, and the bolt mechanism includes moving parts inside the lock. Use graphite powder for metal-on-metal contact or silicone-based lubricants for general use. Avoid over-lubricating, as excess lubricant can attract dirt and debris, leading to buildup that causes spinning or jamming. Wipe away any excess with a clean cloth and test the lock's operation. Regularly check the alignment and bolt extension. Ensure the bolt extends fully when locked and properly aligns with the door's strike plate. Misalignment can lead to spinning issues over time. Consider upgrading to a smart lock like the Schlage Encode Plus for auto alignment features. These modern locks use sensors and apps to maintain proper operation and can alert you to potential issues before they cause problems. If your alignment and reset attempts don't fix the spinning deadbolt, or if you're working with a high security model, it's time to consult a professional locksmith. Attempting advanced repairs yourself can void the warranty and potentially cause more damage. Professional locksmiths possess specialized tools and expertise to handle internal damage, complex misalignments, or components that require replacement without compromising the lock's security features. Smart locks offer improved security and convenience, mitigating spinning issues through auto alignment. Newer Schlage models use eco-friendly materials for durability. Emerging AI diagnostics predict failures preemptively. Consider upgrading to a smart lock for enhanced reliability and integration with home automation systems.